Today, we're diving into HLX AI BDR AI, the latest AI software that's just been released. If you're looking to understand whether this tool could be a game changer for your business or marketing efforts, you're in the right place. Stick around because I'll be sharing 7 crucial things you need to know about HLX AI BDR, and trust me, you'll want to hear all of them before making any decisions. Now, before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try this software for completely free by clicking the first link below. That's right, no commitments. But first, let's break down what makes HLX AI BDR such an exciting release. HLX AI BDR stands out in the crowded AI space because it focuses specifically on business development. If you're familiar with the concept of business development representatives, or BDRs, this software is designed to supercharge your team's efforts with AI-driven insights and automation. In fact, it can dramatically increase lead conversion rates and streamline your sales pipeline. That's the first big win for businesses trying to optimize their sales teams. The software's real power lies in its ability to analyze customer data and then deliver highly targeted outreach. Imagine having an AI tool that learns your customer base, predicts which prospects are most likely to convert, and even writes personalized emails at scale. It can save your team countless hours while improving your outreach precision. But let's be clear, while HLX AI BDR can handle some of the more mundane tasks, it doesn't replace the human touch. Instead, it empowers your team to work smarter, not harder, by focusing their energy on the high-value tasks that only they can handle. The AI handles the data analysis and your BDRs handle the relationships. Next, let's talk about its integration capabilities. HLX AI BDR plays nicely with your existing CRM system and tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zoho. So, if you're already using these platforms, you won't have to worry about a steep learning curve or complicated setup processes. It's a seamless transition. One of the best things about HLX AI BDR is its adaptability. Whether you're a small startup looking to scale or an established company looking to refine your business development strategy, this software fits your needs. It's designed to be intuitive, so your team can start using it quickly without the need for deep technical expertise. But where it really shines is in its reporting and analytics. HLX AI BDR gives you detailed insights into your outreach campaigns, showing you exactly which emails are getting opened, which prospects are engaging, and which strategies are delivering results. This data-driven approach helps you optimize and adjust your strategy in real time. Another impressive feature is its automation. HLX AI BDR takes care of repetitive tasks like follow-ups and lead nurturing, freeing up your sales team to focus on the more complex, high-touch aspects of their roles. Plus, it does this without compromising the personalization of your communications, so your outreach still feels human. Now, if you're wondering about the pricing, don't worry. HLX AI BDR offers flexible pricing tiers that cater to different business sizes and needs. You can start with a free trial to explore the features without any commitment. It's a risk-free way to test out the software and see how it can impact your business. I've tried thousands of AI tools over the years, and HLX AI BDR stands out as one of the most user-friendly, powerful, and effective tools for business development I've come across. It's not just about automating processes. It's about making your team more efficient and boosting your revenue potential. If you're looking for other top-notch AI software options, I've included my recommended list in the description below. After trying countless tools, I only recommend the best. Check them out for free and see which one works best for your needs. So, whether you're just starting to explore AI tools or you're looking to take your business development to the next level, HLX AI BDR might just be the solution you've been waiting for. Give it a try with the free link below and see the results for yourself.